starting her recovery. When there's one particular shirt you want and it's in the wash, like all of these are fine, but there's just one that I especially wanted. Purple it is. I wanted to do like an all black matching outfit, you know? So since I'm at home today, what I'm going to do is yoga from the Deliciously Ella app. And I actually did this yesterday, but I did kind of an easy one because I was just taking it easy yesterday. I was very, very sore. I love all of the classes on this app because all of the instructors have a British accent. Kind of want like a full body. This one. Just gonna scrub through and see what I'm getting myself into. Okay, this doesn't look so bad. Let's do it. Hi, baby. How are we doing? Okay, let's go to your bed. Come on. Where are you going? Good girl. Oh, there's your monkey. Going to Copper Branch because a couple months ago I did a like signature menu item with them, and a portion of each one sold. The money was being donated to a animal sanctuary here called North Mountain Animal Sanctuary, and the deal is over now, so we're just going to take a photo. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna finish getting ready and then we gotta go. So we're getting ready to go to Copper Branch, and then on the way home we're going to stop at the grocery store because I need some things, and also a store called Illuminate because I have to refill my laundry detergent. So this is like a really old laundry detergent bottle, but you can see the weight is on the top there. So whenever I go, I just fill it up with their bulk laundry detergent, and then they subtract the weight of the container. So you just pay for the detergent, and I've been doing that for a couple months now. So it saves, like, imagine you throw out one of these containers every time. No, so it saves so much plastic. So that's really great. Okay, so we gotta get the dogs. Hazy, come on. Put the dogs in their little beds. Good girl. We can't trust this girl while we're not home because she likes to destroy things. And Willa, of course, has to stay in here. There you go. Good girl. There you go. Okay, love you.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by. It doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves slow, somewhere in the great unknown. When I return from the afterglow, will you carry me like I am?
Oh, okay, show us yours. So Greg got the Dine Around burger, which is like a special event. Oh my god, there's pickles on. No, that's jalapenos. Okay, good. I almost cried. Anyway, we got their signature oven baked fries. We got yum. I forgot my water. We could probably ask for a cup of water. Copper Branch food is so good. Oh my god, babe, taste this. It tastes like Christmas. Well, it's like the thing that was on my sandwich, so it tastes like...
Oh, it does. It tastes like that time.
Yeah.
Because it was so distinct.
So, we took a photo and a story. And they're driving the check down to the sanctuary on Friday. How's a burger? Okay, we just got our refill on laundry detergent. So now we can do the 4 loads of laundry that are waiting. And we got this, which is vegan. So excited. Now we're gonna go home and see our doggies.
Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all.
Hi. Okay, careful. Sit. Sit. Last piece. Ah, look. Good girl. Good girl. Bella, do you want a little piece? Cabbage. Good girl. I missed you. I missed you so much. I was gone for too long. Oh, thank you. Oh.
Hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. The feeling is all gone. The feeling is all
So we got home from our walk, did some work. I had to upload a post that I'm doing with Vitamix. And now Greg and I are just gonna go over some editing because he's gonna start editing my Instagram reels because I kind of just started making them. And so he's gonna be editing them. I just let her out. Okay. So yeah, he's gonna be doing the editing of those, and he like pretty much edits my YouTube videos too and stuff, but we're just gonna go over kind of like the workflow of it. Also, this is Final Cut Pro. So this is what I use to edit my videos. This is what it looks like. In case anybody was wondering what I use to edit. I don't know why this camera won't focus, but oh my god, my computer screen's so dirty. So we're probably just gonna do this for a while, and then what time is it? 4:43. So we'll probably make some dinner, and then tonight Katie's coming over to record 2 podcast episodes, and that'll be it for the night. You look so cute. You asked for that. Hey, for dinner we're having leftover rice, some stir fry, shocker, add in like all the green parts in a few minutes, and some bean sprouts, a couple of these field roast nuggets in there. I am obsessed with these. Well, Greg pretty much bought out the whole store because these ones are the best. And then I'm definitely gonna put sweet chili sauce on that and soy-free seasoning. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, okay, so you guys know that I try and limit my soy a little bit just because too much soy hurts my stomach, and those nuggets are soy-free, so that's amazing. But this is what I use like half the time, and then sometimes I'll use soy sauce, but I just like limit it a little bit. Greg's making a pita pizza. Looks so good. And the air fryer potatoes, show them a bit better. There we go. Oh, look at those. So good.
If I could take you back to my youth and show you what I wish I knew. My will is strong with a place to lean. In the moment I hung desperately, the other ring on my wrist.
Are you just happy to be out of your cage? Sometimes while we're cooking dinner, we just like let her out so we can watch her, make sure she's being a good girl and not jumping or running. And her leg hair is growing back really well. You can't really tell, but it's getting fuzzy. You're such a good girl. And this is the other baby, just relaxing. The girlies are ready for bed. Okay, I just made some hot chocolate with this new hot chocolate mix that I got. So I literally just put oat milk into my Nespresso frother. And then I added a tablespoon of the mix. I just wanted something warm, but I didn't feel like having tea. This is like half a glass. What? I thought I put in way more milk than that, but whatever. Okay, so yeah, pretty much I eat this stir fry like 5 times a week, maybe. Sometimes we have pizza, sometimes we have pasta, but this kind of meal is just my favorite thing ever. Like, it truly is what I crave every day. Bok choy is my favorite food ever. We had some good bean sprouts, so I've just been wanting stir fries all the time, and we've been getting a lot less takeout. Like, I used to eat a lot of Thai food, and I used to get Chinese a lot with my parents, but we've been, you know, obviously with COVID, eating out less, but I just still am always craving stir fries. So, you know, it's just the thing. And then I've got my nuggets on the side. Sometimes I put them on top, but this bowl is too small, so and then I stole some of Greg's potatoes. So yeah, we're having a late dinner, and we're gonna finish watching Good Girls because the new season comes out soon, and then we're gonna go to bed. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me in this what I eat in a day / vlog, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.